Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing this hair and we're going to do this makeup look. I've been in love with like short beachy waves, and I love like the long waves, but I feel like the short beachy waves are just perfect for the summertime. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And a special shout out to Ririhair for partnering with me in today's video. This is their 14-inch bob wig. It was originally straight, but I just added a few waves in it, as you'll see in the video, and I am just in love. It's so cute. It's like longer in the front and then shorter in the back. It's just like so sexy. I keep like zhuzhing it up a little bit because I don't know, I can't help myself. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Don't forget to leave me some comments down in the comment section below as you're watching, letting me know your thoughts throughout the video. So if you want to see how I achieved both of these looks, then just keep on watching.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is never thin. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it, I want it, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo.
Fussing and fighting, we back at it again. I know that it's my fault, you don't understand. I got memories, this is crazy. You ain't nothing like the girl I used to know. Good with mom, good with pop, cool with all my niggas. I should try, truth is I wanna let you in, but damn these memories, and it's crazy. You ain't nothing like the girl I used to know. But I got used to know. Don't mean to take it out on you, baby, but I can't help it. 'Cause my heart is in the same old condition that baby left it. And I apologize. Look me in my eyes and promise you won't do me the same. I really wanna work this out 'cause I'm tired of fighting. And I really wish they won't make the way I want you. Said I really wanna work this out. Damn girl, I'm trying. No excuse. I got this icebox where my heart used to be. I got this icebox where my heart used to be. I'm so cold, I'm so cold, I'm so cold, I'm so cold. I'm so cold, I'm so cold, I'm so cold. I got this icebox where my heart used to be. I got this icebox where my heart used to be. I'm so cold, I'm so cold, I'm so cold, I'm so cold. I'm so cold, I'm so cold.
All right, you guys, so now that I have laid my wig and I did my base and my eyebrows, I am gonna go ahead and get started on the eye look. So you guys have seen me do my base multiple times using these very same products. I actually just recently did a video, so I'll go ahead and link it for you guys up above so that you can check that out. But anyway, so I'm gonna get started on the eyes, and I'm using the exact same palette that I've used in multiple tutorials, which is the KKW Beauty Classic 2 palette. Someone commented on my last video and told me that the shade names as I read them were wrong. But it's so weird because of how it shows up on the back is exactly how I read them, because I assumed that they would have them in the correct order, but I guess that's not the case. So I'm gonna go into this burnt orange sort of shade here, and you guys know I like to use this as a transition shade, so I'm just going to dust that along my crease. I found this makeup look here, and I will go ahead and insert it on the screen, but I fell in love with it. It's so pretty. So I want to recreate this look. I'm going to go into this shade here, which I believe it's Haze, or yes, I'm going to dip into Haze, and I'm going to dip a little bit into Terrain. So Haze is like this taupe color, Terrain is this ashy brown shade, and I'm going to just brush it. Now on her lid, it looks like she has a shade similar to this, and I want to say that this one is Abundance, but on the back of here it says Manifest. So yeah, I don't know. That's just not giving. Hold on, I think I know the palette to use. I'm gonna go into this peach shade in the Wet n Wild Heart and Soul Color Icon palette, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. So she does have black liner, but it looks like it's smudged out. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner. The color is Blackest Black, and I'm just going to smudge that. I'm gonna go into this Jaclyn Hill by Morphe Dark Magic palette, and I'm gonna go into this black. You can use any black eyeshadow for this. I just like this one because it's super black and matte. And I'm just gonna take and smudge out the liner. So she does have that cat eye effect going on where it's the wing liner is also in the inner corner. So I'm gonna go back into that black and I'm gonna take a flat brush. The number is like rubbed off of this, but I want to say it's a MAC 212, and I'm just going to pick up where I left off at the head of my eye and create that cat eye effect. I don't know. I don't know what to call it. It's easier to do this with a flat brush because you can get really good in the inner corner. You can get really deep in there. It looks like she has the same color that's on her lid in her waterline, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go back into the peach shade that's in this Wet n Wild palette, and I'm just going to place that along my lower lash line. I'm going to use the Too Faced mascara, Better Than Sex. Y'all see that? Just wait, hold on. Y'all see how lashes make such a difference? Like, look at, and then. Now, one thing that I do want to tell you guys, those of you who do purchase my lashes, 9 times out of 10, you're going to have to cut them. So make sure that you are cutting the end and sizing, well, size them first, then cut off the excess lash, because you don't need, normally you don't need all that. I mean, I have very wide eyes and I still have to cut them. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, because I know a lot of you get my lashes and you don't know how to put them on. If you don't know, my lash page is iamLuxLashes and the website is iamLuxLashes.com. So just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. But like I said, the lashes that I'm wearing are no filter, and I feel like these are perfect for the look. So the blush that she's wearing, it looks like it's very peachy, just like the eyes. So you guys already know the blush that I've been loving, which is in the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna go into the shade Yara. It's like this brown shade. So I'm gonna lay that down first. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with Towel. And that's this very pretty bright coral shade. And the two of those together create this nice, soft, like orange. See? Y'all, I've been obsessed with this blush palette. I can't stop using it. I use it all the time. I'm always obsessed with something. Always. Just be obsessing. That's a lot. That's a lot of blush, but give me 1 second. I'm going to add highlighter first before I fix that. I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger of the Nefertiti highlight by Juvia's Place. And then take the brush and sort of blend it just a little bit. So I literally just put it there. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's really pretty. And just blend that out. All right, for lips, it looks like she has a soft brown, but it's sort of darker than her natural lip color. So I'm gonna use the KKW Beauty Nude 3 liner. I'm gonna go into this Fenty lipstick. It's in Fiesta, Freckle Fiesta, and it's orange, but I'm using that as the base color. Then I'm gonna go into this Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade True Story. And now for gloss, I'm going to use Honey Drizzle by Kaja. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just refresh my hair a little bit. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. And then I decided on like some loose waves. So I'm gonna do that. And as you can see, I'm not gonna redo each part because I do want to give like that effortless wavy look. So I'm just gonna leave some parts as is. Thanks again to Ririhair for partnering with me in today's video. All of the details about the hair will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!